Have you ever dreamed of owning a tiny home that feels more luxurious than a full-size house? Well, don't go anywhere, because today's breathtaking modern farmhouse might completely change the way you think about tiny living. From its stunning wraparound porch and colorful 4th of July decorations to an incredibly cozy reading nook and two beautiful bedrooms, every inch of this home is packed with charm. Stay until the end because this tiny house has one feature that most homeowners wish they had. And if you love beautiful home tours like this one, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing house inspiration every week. The design feels timeless while still offering a fresh, modern look. Mature trees surround the property, creating privacy and filling the landscape with rich greenery.
The spacious covered front porch is easily one of this home's most inviting features. White support columns, hanging flower baskets bursting with colorful blooms, and festive patriotic bunting create the perfect 4th of July atmosphere. Wooden rocking chairs invite you to sit back with a cup of coffee while enjoying the peaceful surroundings. An American flag gently waves from the porch, adding warmth and character without overwhelming the elegant farmhouse style. Above it all sits a sleek, standing seam metal roof finished in a beautiful silver tone. Besides giving the house a clean, modern appearance, this style of roofing is known for exceptional durability, weather resistance, and energy efficiency. Leading to the entrance is a charming natural stone walkway winding gracefully through colorful flower gardens. Every step brings you closer to the beautiful craftsman-style wooden front door, complete with divided glass panels that allow soft, natural light to enter the home before you even open it. As the front door opens, you're immediately welcomed into a bright, open-concept interior where natural sunlight, warm wood flooring, and neutral colors instantly create an atmosphere that's both elegant and incredibly comfortable. The living room perfectly blends luxury with cozy farmhouse charm. At the center is a large cream-colored sectional sofa layered with soft, textured pillows and festive red, white, and blue accent cushions, celebrating Independence Day in a refined way. Across from the seating area stands a stunning stone fireplace with a reclaimed wood mantel that instantly becomes the room's focal point. Tasteful patriotic bunting, rustic wooden stars, elegant lanterns, and fresh seasonal flowers decorate the mantel without making the room feel cluttered. A beautiful reclaimed wood coffee table anchors the seating arrangement, displaying coffee table books, candles, and decorative trays that complete the relaxed yet sophisticated atmosphere. Flowing naturally from the living room is the inviting farmhouse dining area. A solid oak dining table surrounded by white spindleback chairs creates the perfect gathering space for family dinners and holiday celebrations. The table is beautifully dressed with patriotic table runners, blue ceramic dinnerware, fresh flower arrangements, and simple candlelight that adds elegance without feeling formal. Just beyond the dining area sits a gorgeous modern farmhouse kitchen that combines beauty with functionality. White shaker cabinets stretch from floor to ceiling, paired with gleaming quartz countertops and warm, natural wood floating shelves. Matte black fixtures and brass hardware add modern contrast, while large pendant lights brighten the spacious island. Decorative 4th of July accents continue throughout the kitchen with fresh flowers, patriotic towels, and subtle Americana decor, creating a cheerful yet timeless cooking space. One of the most charming spaces in this home is the dedicated reading nook. Floor-to-ceiling built-in bookshelves filled with hundreds of books surround a cozy window seat and an oversized upholstered reading chair. Sunlight pours through the single large window, dressed in soft linen curtains, while patriotic throw pillows, miniature American flags, rustic wooden stars, and fresh flowers create a peaceful place to relax with your favorite novel on a quiet summer afternoon. The first bedroom continues the home's relaxing farmhouse style with a comfortable king-sized bed layered in crisp white linens and soft neutral textures. Matching bedside tables, elegant wall art, indoor plants, and warm lighting make the room feel calm and inviting. An open, custom-built closet provides beautifully organized storage with hanging clothes, folded linens, woven baskets, and wood shelving that keeps everything easily accessible. The second bedroom is equally impressive, offering a peaceful retreat for guests or family members. Large windows fill the room with natural light, while soft, neutral tones create a relaxing atmosphere. Comfortable bedding, handcrafted furniture, tasteful artwork, indoor greenery, and elegant, patriotic accents make this bedroom feel every bit as luxurious as the primary suite. The bathroom proves that even compact spaces can feel luxurious. A custom white vanity topped with warm wood, matte black fixtures, and a large framed mirror create a clean, timeless design. A spacious walk-in shower with frameless glass, beautiful tilework, and built-in shelving gives the room a spa-like atmosphere. One clever feature is the integrated laundry area. A stacked washer and dryer fit neatly into custom cabinetry with open shelving above for towels, baskets, and laundry essentials. Everything is thoughtfully organized to maximize every square foot without sacrificing style. A small frosted window fills the room with soft, natural daylight while maintaining privacy, making this bathroom practical. If this incredible modern farmhouse inspired you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another amazing home tour.